Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can open a file's location in CMD in three ways. Okay, so the first way I'm going to show you is one of the most common ways you would open a file location in CMD, which is using the cd command, which is cd into that directory. So for example, cd into desktop, like that. I'm in desktop, dir like that, to list everything that is on the desktop. Okay, so that's the first way and the most common way. The next tip that I'm going to show you, these two will change the way you use the terminal. Okay, so let's say I want to open up my CMD into let's say pictures, for example, CMD from this directory. Okay, so what I can do here is, instead of you going to CMD and seeding into pictures, you can just come here where pictures is. When you click, as you can see, the pictures will be highlighted like that. Just type in CMD there, press enter, and as you can see, we are in pictures here. If I do a dir like that, you'll see these are the folders which are exactly there. That's one of the quickest ways to open up a file's location in CMD. Then this one will make your life even better, because let's say I want to open up a file's location in CMD. So instead of you going to doing the CD again, you can just drag and drop that location into CMD. So now if I make this big, as you can see, it's pictures camera raw, as you can see, which is this folder that I just dragged in. So that's the three ways you can CD into a location in CMD. So I hope that has helped you guys, and if it has, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future videos.